Hey people, and for this video, we're gonna show you how to fix when your Facebook videos are lagging. Now the first thing we have to do is go to the top right. On the three lines, this brings us to our menu. Now once here, just tap on the gear icon, also around the top right. And now once here, let's just scroll down and look for media. Now we can see here that I am on optimized, but for some reason if you're on data saver, that's going to reduce the video quality but also has a tendency to slow it down. Now you can see here on autoplay, this is so you can save data if you're outside or if you're not connected to the Wi-Fi. But all we have to do is set it on optimized. However, sometimes you may have to check the speed of your internet connection, and the way to know the speed is by searching for speed test on any browser. Now ideally, if you're at 5 Mbps, that shouldn't be a problem. Anything under that, maybe you should switch your connection. Now, if you have no choice and you have to use data, just restart your data and you should be able to play a few videos until you have to restart it again. But if it is a problem with the Facebook app itself, we have to go to settings and go to our apps, Facebook, and we'll need to go to storage and cache. We'll have to clear the storage, clear the cache, and if that doesn't work, we'll have to uninstall and reinstall Facebook. And that should fix the problem. You don't have to worry, that won't log you out. And once that's done, your videos shouldn't be lagging anymore. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.